Around 3:30 in the morning, people rushed to enter the gates of Basilica Minore del Santo Nino to catch the beginning of the 4 a.m. Mass for Adlaw sa Hubo on Friday, January 26. Rain poured all throughout the entire 2-hour duration of the Mass, but this didn't stop the faithfuls from their devotion. Some even embraced being drenched in the rain, believing that it's a sign of blessing from Señor Santo Nino. In the Hubo rites, the Cebuano word Hubo literally translates to undress. This means that the image of Señor Santo Nino will be stripped off his fiesta garments and be clothed with simpler clothes, which the Holy Child Jesus will be wearing throughout the year. The rite started with the removal of the crown of the replica of the image, followed by the orb, scepter, bands, cape, inner garments, and boot. It was then bathed in holy water and was dressed with simpler clothing. The message from the homily of Father 𝗵𝗶 tells us of how the Adlaw sa Hubo should remind us of the time when Jesus was stripped off his clothes, got pricked by his crown of thorns, and was crucified on the cross. It teaches us that the cross alone symbolized the Lord's immense love for all of us.
Sa iyang pagpakatao, sa iyang pagpakabata, sa iyang paghubo, sa iyang Diyos ng dagway, o pagpakita sa naman sa Diyos, diha sa iyang kauhanong dagway. Mao ang iyang dakong gugma, alang samahan, o kanatong tanan.
Just like what happened during the Hubo Mass today, 62-year-old 𝗵𝗶𝗁 tradition also include changing the clothes of her own image of the child Jesus every year. And this time, to make it more unique, she placed decorative lights on the lower part of the image.
Siyang gibagwag sinina. Kay sa karaan bitaw nga kanang bag-o ang fiesta, bag-og sinina. Mao nang ako sa ko kay iya biya fiesta. Murag gibayaw ang imong kalag sa langit. Kay mura o ganang nindot kay siya ba. Paminaw nimo. Kay murag dibotom ginako siya.
Looking around the vicinity of the basilica, not only are the images wearing Santo Nino clothes, but also children. The Rojas family traveled all the way from Ormoc City in Leyte just to be able to fulfill their family's commitment to Señor Santo Nino.
Actually, happy kayo mi, enjoy kayo mi diri sa Cebu, no? Sa atin sa Adlaw sa Hubo ni Señor Santo Nino. Kini siya is amo na gining panaad, no? Every Hubo, Adlaw sa Hubo ni Señor Santo Nino na agad may kada tuig diri, no? Sa una sa nag-eskwela pa ko diri, sinulog ako permi atinan, so karon gisana mo sa kasawa nga sa Adlaw sa Hubo na agad mi kauban sa akong pamilya.
Happy and blessed to have him in my life, and actually bisan sa bata pa ko, no, kay nanami sa usa ka chapel nga Señor Santo Nino gid ang naasa mo, so nagdako gid ko nga si Señor Santo Nino, feeling gid ako siya gid ang nag-guide na ako sa kanunay din. Nagampo ko nga tagaan ko kanunay, tagaan ko og bana, maabot nga bana nga dakong pagsalig og pagtuo pod niya, sumoto gigran pod niya. So mo hantod karon ingani gyud grabe ang mo deboto pala niya.
The Hubo Mass signifies the end of the celebration of the 459th Fiesta Señor. This has been Queenie Joligon for MyTV Cebu.